Right, this is the commencement of the video on the 13th of August, time 10:21. Now I'm going to walk through to the kitchen. There's some of the labels that we took off. That's 3 minutes left on the washing machine. I'm going to just sit here and film this until it finishes, and then we're going to film it and take it through and measure again. We have got an identical top that we bought that we're going to compare it to as well. So I'm just going to sit here and film this. So that's just dropped down to 1 minute, so the last minute of the programme. It's just gone up to 3 minutes. Why does it do that? Is that because it's decided it needs another 3? We don't know. Okay. For some reason it's just gone up to 3, so is that 3 seconds? Not 3. Was it? I don't know. We don't know. But for some reason it's decided. I don't know if that's 3 seconds or 3 minutes. Oh. 2. Okay, we're not quite sure what that is, but I guess it's decided it needs another 2 minutes. So sorry about that. I guess that's odd, seems we've only one thing in, but there it is. Something happening. That's it. That's the program stopped. So I'm going to open that up and get that out. Move the bar. I'm okay. I'll just hand this to you to my partner when I go through. Okay. Do you want to just take that off me, Suzanne, and film that whilst I'm getting it out? So this is the T-shirt, which is that inside out? Suzanne, is that?
No.
No, that's right, is it? Okay. So lay this on the floor best we can. I guess the first thing we notice is with a lot of the tops, I don't know if you can see the seam here. Is that visible on the screen? It somehow does spin clothes so that seams and not on their edges, but yeah, I don't know if you can see. I mean, we have just taken that straight out, but that is what happens. A lot of T-shirts are done like that. So I'm going to measure Now, and I would say that's probably 58, so I think that's gone up pretty much a whole centimetre, which might not sound like a lot, but on one wash, if you imagine 10 washes, that could be 10 centimetres, but it's clearly bigger than 57. That's the point. Do the long distance shot so they can see the whole tape, Suzanne, so that they can see I've started it from the right part at the end. Are you with me? And that they've got the whole thing in, yeah, and that they can actually read 58. And again, so that's the one that's just been washed. And as I say, if we hang that from the top, yeah. Just compare this with an identical new one that we've got, same size. This is a large, that's the label still on, same size. And although this is going to be difficult, there we have the two items, and as I say, the seam appears to be pulled round on that one, and it already looks to be going out of shape compared to this that looks to be relatively straight. I don't know if you can see that on the machine, but we will measure this one. And there you go, that is clearly 57, that's where my thumb is there, 57, and at the other end. So we think we've gained an inch on that. We do appreciate that, you know, we've just done this as amateurs, but we are going to get professional people in to do that and do it a lot better than we did it. And as I say, if we, you know, can't have a replacement washer, then that's what we're going to do. We are going to have to get professional people in to come in and do this, film it, and that will be the evidence we'll take to small claims court. If anybody from the co-op wants to come up and have a go at doing that themselves, you know, they really are more than welcome. We've nothing to gain by this. We're not asking for anything other than just a washing machine. So I'm just going to conclude, and the time on the television, 10:29, so you can see that it's a continuous, you can see that's a continuous video. And as I say, that's our worry, that 1 centimetre on one wash, and then you can imagine what several washes are going to be like. And even stood where I am, I can see that that's out of shape already. So thank you for your time, and we'll send this off to you. Bye.